In this question, we're given Trey and his mom, and they stopped at a railroad crossing to let a train pass. So as the train began to pass, Trey counted 6 cars in the first 10 seconds, and it took the train 2 minutes and 45 seconds to clear the crossing at a constant speed. So which of the following was the most likely number of cars in the train? So this question is sort of like an estimation question, but it's not really estimation, honestly. Like it's more like testing your ability with like ratios and things like that. So the idea is we're given that like there are 6 cars in 10 seconds. And given that the train took 2 minutes and 45 seconds to clear the crossing at a constant speed. So 2 minutes, we're given 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Oops. And 45 seconds. So each minute is 60 seconds, right? So that means 2 minutes is going to be 120 seconds. So if we have 120 seconds and 45 seconds, then that's going to give us 165 seconds in total. So I'm basically converting the 2 minutes, 45 seconds. I'm converting everything into seconds. The reason I'm converting into seconds is because the question gave us information that 6 cars like passed in 10 seconds. So they gave us the units in seconds, which is why in questions where they give you different units, it's usually a good idea to like convert all of the units into the same unit. Like if they give you like meters and like centimeters or something, then you want to convert everything to 1 unit and make sure you stay consistent. So that's why we converted this to 165 seconds. So if we're given that there are 6 cars basically in 10 seconds, and we want to know how many cars in 165 seconds. So we want to say how many cars in 165 seconds. Well, what we can just do is like, this is kind of like a ratio problem, right? Like from this 10 to this 165, you kind of multiply by 16.5. Because 10 times 16.5 is 165. So there's kind of like this 16.5 scale factor ratio. So by the same ratio, you would take 6 and also multiply by 16.5. And if you do the math, 16.5 times 6 would give you 99. 99. There would be approximately 99 cars in 165 seconds. Now, if you look at the choices, like you won't see a 99 in the answer choices, but like we don't have to panic, because if we read the question again, remember, like reading the question is important. It asks which of the following was most likely the number of cars in the train. So they said most likely, not like exactly how many. So 99 is clearly pretty close to 100. So we can like safely say the answer is C, and we would be done.